we have two functions, u and v, and each of them is a function of t, let's say time. Okay. And now we're interested in the product of those functions, and in particular, how that product changes with respect to time. We'll draw this rectangle and we represent, we'll use this side to represent the function u, and we'll use the base here to represent the function v. So the area of this rectangle is u times v. Now we're going to enlarge this rectangle by an infinitesimal amount. So u we've enlarged by du, and v we've enlarged by dv. Okay, so now we've got a new, slightly larger rectangle. What are the areas of these rectangles? Well, this one is going to be v times du. This one is going to be u times dv. And then this little one in here, it's going to be du times dv. du times dv. All right, so what is the amount of growth that we have seen that corresponds to u growing by du and v growing by dv? This will be the sum of these three newer rectangles. So we'll sum them up. v du plus u dv plus du dot dv. All right, that is actually, this is what we have here is d of uv, the infinitesimal change in the area of this whole rectangle. Okay, and now we want to know that with respect to time, so we'll divide everything by d of t. That's that small amount of time. All right, now, oh, and this one as well. Now, of course, you'll recognize this as the derivative of u with respect to t, and here's the derivative of v with respect to t. And what do we have here? Well, I mean, we could interpret this as this derivative times dv, or the other way around. But the thing is, what we have here is two infinitesimals. Okay, and so what if du by dt is a finite number, it's getting multiplied by an infinitesimal, so it's going to disappear. Okay, put another way, we have a product of infinitesimals up here, so this is going to be an infinitesimal. Okay, so point being, we'll take that out. Okay, so here we have what we call the product rule, which we can rewrite as, and that is so beautiful, we can give it its own lovely square, and Bob's your uncle.